Yo, what is up guys? This is Hadi from HadiTech back with another video. In today's video guys, we're going to be showing you how to install Claude and use it on your machine for free. You may have guys know that Claude is actually a paid AI agent that runs a model that's called Sonnet, and that model is also paid. But now what we can do is usually run Claude and change the model that we can run, and that allows us to have an AI agent running 24/7 on our machine for free without paying a single dime. And that's what we're going to be doing today in this video. Now, Claude is one of the best AI agents that you can have. You can literally use it to create apps, create scripts, create websites, create landing pages. So whatever you feel like creating, you can do that for free using Claude. Now, before we jump into this video, we need one of the main things to start executing the whole process. So we need a Node.js. So if you don't have Node.js, you're gonna install Node.js, and we need VS Code, and we need an OpenRouter account, which is free. So the first thing that we need to do, like I said before, you gotta download Node.js. So head to Google, Bing, whatever browser that you have, and look up Node.js and go to the main page, and from the main page click on download, and in here you can download pretty much Node.js. You can either run these commands via PowerShell or terminal, or you can go the simple route, which is way easier, and just go down here and select the OS that you have or you are running, right? And select it from here, then download the installer, click on it and run the .exe installer, and that should be good to go. So that's the easier process to do it. Now for the second thing that we need, it's VS Studio Code. So for this as well, go ahead and look up Visual Studio Code and click on download for Windows if you have Windows. If you have other platforms, click on other platforms and go ahead and download the Visual Studio Coder for your corresponding platform. So for Windows you got this, for Linux you got this, and for Mac you got these as well. So once you download these, install them on your machine, right? And the last thing that we need to do is go ahead and create your account on OpenRouter. I'm gonna leave all the links to these requirements in the link in the description down below, so you can follow along as well. This guide right here is just a small guide that you can follow to get all of this done by yourself. So if we go to OpenRouter right here and we click on models, you will see there is a lot of models right here in OpenRouter, and as you can see, there are a bunch of them that are paid and a bunch of them that are free. So if we look up free, or the word free in OpenRouter, there is a lot of models that which we can use with Claude Code, and we can turn it into an AI or custom AI agent that we can run locally on our machine. So we got Nemetron right here in the video, which is one of the best models for free that you can use, and you got the rating for each category within OpenRouter. You got Archie AI right here, you got OpenAI GPT OSS, you got Minimax, you got a bunch of other models right here. So these are the models tab. Now if we go to the docs section and we scroll all the way down, click on guide, then from guide click on coding agents, then click on Claude Code. And from here, if we scroll all the way down, this will be the installation guide, and I'm basically just explaining this guide to you in a digestible manner. So once you download VS Code and Node.js, head back to the manual or installation guide, and you can copy these commands in which you can download and install Claude Code on your machine. So for Mac and OS and Linux, you gotta run this command on your terminal. For the Windows users, all you need to do is just run this command. So copy this one, look up PowerShell and run it in administrator mode, just like this. Yes. Then let's just close this window. Then let's just paste the command right here. Then click on enter and just wait for a bit until the installation is done. Then we are good to go. Now the installation is done and complete, and we can close this PowerShell window. So let's just close this, and if we scroll down a bit, you can see these are the variables and environment that we need to create in order to run Cloud Code in our local machine. So the next step is to actually go to our desktop, right? And from our desktop we need to create a new folder. So let's just create this new folder and let's just name it demo1, just like this. Click enter, hit enter, then open this folder right here, right click on this folder, then click on open with code, and this will prompt us to open this folder in VS Studio Code. Now the next step is to actually click on the terminal, select the folder, the demo1 folder or your folder, click terminal, new terminal, and in this terminal you need to copy and paste this code that I will have in the description down below. You can have it in this guide right here. You will have this command to create the local.json file, so you can do that manually and copy and paste these variables, or you can just run this code or command within the terminal in VS Code and it will create the environment for you. So let's just copy and paste it and hit enter, and just like this it will create another file. It's called .claude, and if you click on it we'll have the settings local.json. Now once we are in here, let's just clear our terminal first. So let's just type in clear and we can clear our terminal. Now we can put in our OpenRouter settings and we can establish a connection with Cloud Code. Now the next step is to go to OpenRouter, then click on it and just head to the main page, and from there you can go to your personal tab right here, then click on settings, then from settings go to API keys, then from API keys click on create, and you can name it whatever you want right here. Just leave these as blank. You can then hit create to create your own API key. Okay, so this is the API key. Let's just copy this one and let's just head back, and in here you can paste your API key in the auth token. So this is the placeholder for the API key. Place it in here. Then for the model right here, as you can see, Anthropic default sonnet model, and it says model. In here we need to change the model that we're gonna use. So let's just go back to OpenRouter, click on OpenRouter, then go to models, then again let's just look in free models, and let's just use NVIDIA Nematron for this tutorial. So let's just copy this one right here and let's just place it within or inside of these brackets. Let's just paste it in here. Now if you're gonna use another model, all you need to do is just copy this one down here, for example, and replace Nematron with this one that we have here. Now hit Control and save the changes that you have made, then close the JSON file, then click on terminal, new terminal, just like this, and then you can type in Claude and it will tell you to trust this folder or no. Click on yes, I trust it, and we are officially in. As you can see, we are running NVIDIA Nematron 3 supermodel, so it says it in here. You got the API built-in and stuff like that. If you hit the exclamation mark, you will see the commands that you can run within this terminal. Let's just increase the window a bit, and if we type in, let's say for example, hey, you can see that we are communicating with Cloud Code. And if we let's say for example run back into OpenRouter, click on personal, then activities or activity, excuse me, you can see that we are communicating with the model using OpenRouter. So we got the request, we got the tokens that we are using or spending right here, and everything works perfectly. As you can see, the recent activities, we are getting replies right here, and it's logging everything that we are doing. So I'm just give you a small prompt to actually test whether this thing is working or no. As you can see, I've told Cloud Code can it create for me a decent looking stylized landing page for my ebook that talks about selling digital products, mainly gaming accounts, and sourcing them for I may just a typo right here, it does not matter, but sourcing them for cheap and resell them for profit, while also conducting market analysis, following trends, and do not to forget images, sections, animation, placeholders, because I'm looking to host this landing page. So it's just told Claude to make me a landing page for my ebook, and let's see if Claude can manage to make that. All right, Claude thought for like 4 minutes or so, and it just starts making this index HTML page, and it just give it to me. As you can see, this is the page that Claude created, and as you can see, it's just a simple landing page, the same way as I asked it, and it just has a couple buttons right here, a couple stuff that we mentioned in the prompt. So be specific when you are prompting any AI agents. As you can see, we have a placeholder for reviews as well. So all of these can be edited using Claude or yourself manually. So it's just again a basic landing page. Now if you want to create anything more complicated, you need to prompt Claude Code more, and as you can see, I've told it to change a couple parameters, and it gave me the option. In order to actually go through these options, you can use the arrow keys on your keyboard, and you can navigate through the answers, and you can type in your prompts basically. So this was just like a quick tutorial, like I said guys, to show you that this is actually working, and you can do pretty much everything with it. And like I said guys, this was just a quick tutorial just to show you that this is actually working. So if you want to create apps, websites, landing pages, you can do that easily without paying a damn dollar to any AI company again. Alrighty guys, we have reached the end of our video. If you found this video quite helpful, then drop a like and comment down below if you have any questions regarding the whole installation. If you ran or faced any issues, I will definitely help you out in the comment section down below. Now do us a favor again and subscribe to the channel because we post a lot of helpful content. And yeah, take care of yourselves guys. See you in the next one, and peace.